Say hey.
Hey.
Say hey, y'all.
Hey, Ma.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, Ma.
Hey, y'all. It's Paige Leanne. So I'm here today because I'm finally starting a new hair growth challenge. And this has been one a lot of people have recommended me trying out. So now is the time. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. It's going to be something I'm going to stick with, I'll say, for the longest if it works, but I think I'm gonna update pretty much every 3 months. It just depends on my growth, because if I'm seeing a lot of growth and length retention in 1 month, then I'll be back to update. So what that is the Chebe. I ended up making my own butter, Chebe butter, but you can also do an oil mixture, so you can infuse the Chebe in the oil. You can do deep conditions, leave-in condition, cream, butter. So I call this kind of like a cream butter, but I think it's more or less a butter. So I went ahead and whipped this up. If y'all would like to see this DIY, definitely comment below and I'll put that up. Otherwise, I may not put it up until later on in my journey. So yeah, y'all, I am going to go ahead and apply this to my hair. If you don't know too much about the background, it's basically with the Chad women, and they end up using the Chebe and oil on their hair. So they basically apply oil, and then they take and apply the Chebe, and then they take and apply oil, and they basically just rake this and shingle it throughout their hair strands, and then they braid their hair up and they leave it in their hair literally for like 3 to 5 days, I believe, and they reapply it, and they keep doing this process. So the only way about that is I don't know when they rinse or when they shampoo their hair, and I've been having to shampoo my hair once a week now since it has been a lot warmer and with me working out and sweating. And then I kind of rinse my hair in the shower and do a cold wash during the middle of the week, and I shampoo towards the end of the week. So literally I've been having to like rinse my hair twice a week, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So that's the only thing. I'm not sure how this is going to work out. I'm going to try to just stick to shampooing once a week and cut out that co-wash in the middle of the week since I'm trying to do this method. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply this and see how it works out. I did leave the Chebe in the and I went ahead and sectioned my hair off kind of to get it started. My hair is freshly shampooed, conditioned, and I have my Cantu leave-in conditioner in my hair. So that is all I'm starting off with. So you can tell this strand piece is really detangled. So I was saying I did leave my Chebe in here. You can even see the little pieces throughout it. And I know a lot of people said that just having that in their hair when their hair would dry was kind of annoying, but I'm going to give it a try this first go round, and then if I don't like it, then I'm going to strain the pieces, infuse it in the oil, strain the pieces, and then I'm going to try it that way. So I'm sorry if y'all hear her face. She is back there having a fit in her room. So here is how it looks. It's even melting as it gets into my hands. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. I can definitely feel the gritty feeling already, so I know that's gonna be throughout my hair. Another thing, I did see a few people saying that leaving the actual Chebe in their hair stretch their hair out more than the infused method. So that's another reason I want to try leaving it in. And then it's kind of closer to what the actual Chad women do to their hair. So I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm going to leave it in and see how this works out, y'all. So my hair is definitely already stretching out from just putting that. It feels really good. It smells good because I like the natural smell that it has as well. I ended up adding my own essential oil, so I love that smell that it has. I know some people were complaining, but I guess I just love natural smells and stuff. I love shea butter, cocoa butter, I love a lot of natural smells to natural hair products. Okay, y'all, so here is my hair after I've completely applied the Chebe butter mixture. I can already see it throughout my twists, but I really don't care. I really don't. I'm trying to do it as much as I can to the method as the Chad women, and I think this is as close as it gets by leaving the actual shea in the butter or whatever you're doing and applying it to your hair. The infused way, I think it works probably just as good, but I do feel that a lot of people said that their hair was more stretched out by putting the leaving the shea in the whatever they used it in. So that's definitely what I'm going to do. That method. I'm going to reapply this in about 3 days, and then towards the end of the week, I'm going to have to wash my hair. I just can't keep going without washing my hair. But I'm going to stick to once a week washing my hair. And like I said, applying it somewhere throughout the beginning and the middle of the week, and then wash at the end, reapply it, and then go another week. And I'm just going to keep doing this for about 3 months. Like I said, I'm planning on coming back in 3 months and letting y'all see my results from this and how the Cheve has been treating my hair, how it's been doing. So I didn't use as much as I thought, and that's actually good because literally I probably could get maybe about 4 more times, if not more, out of the rest of this. So I can only imagine if I had have done a whole jar. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope this is definitely helpful to somebody that's been wondering, or if y'all want to join this challenge with me, definitely go ahead and join it. If you want to see the video on how I make this or anything else, any other information on this, just definitely let me know in the comment section. Another thing, this was really, really detangling to my hair. Like literally my hair was so detangled and just like, it felt like butter. My hair just felt like it was melting away as I was detangling my hair. And it had to be the Chebe. It had to be because any other time my hair does get little tangles and little knots and snags, but I didn't feel that at all with this mixture. So that was really amazing. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely share. Sharing is always caring, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Bye.
Bye.